Hello Explorer, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So myself Explorer Nisha and here we will explore many things. Today we are taking the global tour to understand the current situation in different regions and countries from economical point of view to political tensions. So we will all cover it. So let's get started. One more thing that I have to tell you guys that today's video we will discuss about 5 continents: Asia, Africa, America, Europe and Middle East. So without wasting our time, let's get started. Today we are going to talking about Asia. We will discuss about 2 countries in Asia, China and India. Firstly we will discuss about what's going on in China and what's the solution of it. Basically, China is facing an economic slowdown amidst geopolitical tensions, and the solution is encourage diplomacy and dialogue to ease tensions and promote economic cooperation. India is growing economically but struggling with religious tensions, and the solution is faster interfaith dialogue and community engagement to promote understanding and inclusivity. And now we are talking about Europe. In Europe, the EU is dealing with Brexit and economic unity, and the solution is strengthen EU bonds through economic cooperations and cultural exchange programs. The second country of Europe is Russia. Russia is exerting political influence and energy domains, and the solution is promote energy diversification and support democratic values in the region. We are discussing about Africa. In Africa, South Africa and Nigeria are facing economic challenges and political instability. Solution encourage economic diversification, invest in education and support democratic institutions. And Egypt is working towards political stability amidst religious tensions, and solution faster interfaith dialogues and support included political processes. All of these concepts will help you a lot to understand the current situation in the world. So now we are talking about America. In the America, the US is experiencing political polarization and economic growth, and the solution is encourage bipartisan dialogue, invest in education and social welfare programs, and promote suitable economical practices. Brazil is tackling political instability and economic growth, and the solution is for democratic institutions, invest in education and infrastructure, and promote social inclusion. Now we are talking about Middle East. In the Middle East, Iran is facing political tensions and economic sanctions. Solution is encourage diplomacy and dialogue to ease tensions and promote economic cooperations. Palestine